Welcome to my channel, steveO the Window Cleaner. Today, doing a very simple video about a giveaway that I'm doing this month. There's no purchase necessary from me from windowcleaner.com. I am a sales rep with Window Cleaner Resource. You can always reach me at 970-599-1437. But the channel has been doing very great as far as YouTube goes, so I wanted to just do a give back giveaway just to say thank you. So, giving away a Insta 360 Go 3. It's not this one. You'll receive a brand new one. I love this camera. One of the cool things about this camera is that you can take this out, and then basically one of the cool attachments that I have for this that's really cool that you guys may have seen in recent videos is this little attachment here. So this slides into there just like that, and then basically you can put it on your head and make cool videos. Now if I turn it on, I just tap it, it's on. And if I turn on this, boom, you see the video right back there. So Bluetooth connects to this. And then also if you're vlogging, you can flip that up and can see exactly what you're doing. It has a bunch of different cool settings. It allows you to create video that is vertical or horizontal at the same time. So as we see like on TikTok, Instagram, Reels, even Facebook, they're super popular, get a lot more views than like regular videos. So anyways, I just want to give away one of these to say thank you. So basically here's what you need to do to enter. You need to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, and then you need to comment below of why you should win this. Okay, so I'm giving this away because I think that, and we all know that social media is huge now for businesses, so why not have a really cool camera that allows you to do a lot of cool things as far as posting on your business Instagram, business Facebook, even getting pictures of videos for your website, right? So iPhones are great, but this gives you a little bit more action as far as the different attachments that come with it. There are a bunch of different attachments that I won't include in the giveaway, but that you can buy in the future. So anyways, that's it. This is about a $400 value. Just like I mentioned, just like, comment, and subscribe. And basically, I will pick the giveaway winner at the end of September. So you got over a month to do this. If you want to throw some orders my way, just like I mentioned, you can definitely do that, but there's no purchase necessary. This is just to give back. So anyways, that's the video. I didn't want to put this video with anything else because typically the giveaway videos, if I do it with like a vlog, people start asking like 3 years later, hey, what about that giveaway? So I didn't want it to be confusing. So anyways, happy September, happy fall. If you guys need anything, feel free to reach out to me as far as equipment goes at 970-599-1437. And this is the Insta 360 Go 3 giveaway. Have a good day. Bye-bye.